110. I don't know. All my friends got 212s, 215s, shit like that. I got 110. Louder than all theirs. Haha. Yeah. You saw the sub box. It's that big. That's why. Bigger the box, better the sound. And it's a dual chamber, single sub one side, empty chamber the other side. 3-inch ports, different length each port, tuned to like 27 for the one and 31 for the other. So, bump's pretty fucking good. I would have to say that. For a piece of shit, she works pretty good.
Already got a lot to feel. So far as y'all know, all I do is just rap. We get these streets something they can play the next rap. Last year, had to put my shit back on the map. This year, we gon' hit them right back with a slap. I had the whole wide world